Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to share your run or whatever sport you just did, your activity, on Strava onto Instagram directly. So basically what you want to do is you want to click activities, and if you want to get to activities, just press on your photo, the little photo that you have at the top. Press the photo and then press activities, and in activities you can find this little share button right here in the bottom right. Press that share button and it'll prompt you with a bunch of social media options and also a bunch of setups, much like exactly how Spotify would share your music and such. And there are 3 ways that you can share it. Let's share using this one. Use Instagram story, go on there, and there it is. You can share it onto your story. You can, play around with it, whatever it is, however you please, and then just press the button on the bottom left right there to share it to your stories, and that's it. Thanks for watching.